Do you know what a vision board is? If you're interested in personal development, you probably have heard the term from time to time. Basically, for those who don't know, it's a clipboard where you put on your most favorite things to reach. For example, a car, a girlfriend, something you like to reach in the future. And it's a very helpful tool to visualize your future successes. If you take it every morning, watch it and think about how amazing it would feel to get this or that specific thing or this or that specific skill, it's very helpful in guiding you through the hard times, in helping you to reach the thing you want to reach your dream. But the one thing no one tells you, the one thing everyone overlooks, is that a vision board, if not used properly, can actually be very harmful to you. From personal experience, I know if you take a vision board and do not act on the things you have on the board itself, you will come to a point where you don't believe in the power of visualization anymore. And at that point, a vision board can become harmful, because you'll be reminded every day that you will not achieve what's on the board, that you will not get, that you don't have that thing you desire. And that's the exact moment where you affirm yourself lack every day, repeatedly. That's the point. If you don't feel good looking at the vision board, put it away. You will reach your goal if you refocus and get in the habit again to work towards it. But as long as you're not able to look at your vision board with a positive intent and feeling, put it away. Get it out in a few months and try it again. But if you don't feel a positive vibe by visualizing the results you want to have, a vision board can be very harmful, because it reminds you every day and you affirm yourself every single day that you lack something. And the more you affirm you lack something, the more likely it is that you get more of this lack. If you have a car, for example, on your vision board and you think every day, it would be nice, but I will never drive this, you will never drive it. And the vision board, if not used properly, will do this exact thing. As I said, it's a wonderful tool if you know how to use it. If you know how to use it properly, with positive intent, with good feelings deep within yourself, with meditation that helps you remember these feelings all day long. But if you don't feel a positive vibe coming from the board, either you have chosen goals too high or wrong, or you're not ready to get the success you want. Work on yourself, improve yourself, and then try it again in a few weeks or months.